Hello children, in this video we are going to learn the solution of exercise 12.1. The topic is Heron's formula. In last video you might have seen the explanation of on the topic Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? How do we use it? I mean, what is the application of Heron's formula? Again, another formula for area of triangle. That all kind of explanation you have got in the last video, and in this video now we are ready to do the solution of exercise 12.1. The question number 1 B1 is a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. You might have seen in nearby school area there will be signal board school ahead, drive slow, something like that. So, that board is triangular in shape. So, let us see. Triangular in shape, but only triangular or something. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. That is, triangle and triangle are of different types, but this signal board is in equilateral triangle shape. What do we mean by equilateral triangle? All the three sides are equal, or also all the three angles are equal. But here you know Heron's formula you have learnt already, we are dealing with the sides, not angles. But anyway, just to keep in our knowledge, equilateral triangle sides are equal and angles are also equal. So, in this board, this is the board, whatever may be written, let it be. We are talking about the shape of the board. It is equilateral with the side A, whatever A. No fixed side is shown here, 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter or whatever other dimension, only A mean all three sides are equal. All right. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula, first part of the question. Then if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So, there are two parts in this question. Let us go with the first part. We start solution. A signal board is in the shape of an equilateral triangle. I am writing in short, equilateral triangle with side A. And then next is what? Find the area of this signal board using Heron's formula. Actually, there is formula for equilateral triangle. Do you know that? Root 3 by 4 into side square, but not allowed to use that formula. We will find the area of triangle only using Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? First, semi perimeter. Two parts are there. Semi perimeter, first side plus second side plus third side by 2, that is half of the perimeter. Okay. Then area of triangle S into S minus first side, S minus second side, S minus third side root. So, let us go with that. First we will go semi perimeter. First side is what? A. Second side is also A. Third side is also A, and by 2. By 2 why we use? Because it is semi perimeter, half of the perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of three sides and half mean divided by 2. So, we get the semi perimeter of signal board is 3A by 2. Then area of signal board. Okay. We write the formula nicely. S, use capital S, okay, do not use a small, but this A, B, C use small letter, S minus B into S minus C. Do not get confused suddenly from where A, B, C came. A, B, C is indicating three sides of triangle, but these three sides are here A, not A, B, C. Okay. I am just reminding you the Heron's formula. After that we will use what is the dimension given in the question. So, we will do that. S is what? 3A by 2. S 3A by 2 minus first side is A. Sometimes children are getting confused here. A remains A, B, Y becoming A. not that. These are the 3 sides, whatever may be the dimension of that side. So, S 3a by 2 minus, again second side is also a, 3a by 2 minus a by 1. And now do the simplification. 3a by 2 remains here, a by 1, a by 1, a by 1. Why do we put this 1? In order to take the LCM properly and do the work. So, 2 1 LCM 2 divided by 2 1 into 3a, you know that fractional work, addition and subtraction work of fraction. 2 divided by 1 2 into a, 2a. Next you just extend this root, same thing going to come, 2 1s are 3 into 1 3a, 2 divided by 1 2 into a. Here also LCM is 2 divided by 2 3a, 2 1s are 2 into a, 2a. So, we have reached, and now calculate this 3a by 2, 3a by 2, 3a minus 2a, 1a, we write just a only, that is 1a. Again same thing, a by 2, one more we get here, 3a minus 2a by 2. So, a by 2. What do we see? We are seeing this is the square root. What is the function? Out of 2 same number, one pair, one something comes out, a will be out, again a 1a is out, 2 is out, again 2 is out, but this root 3 remains under the root, because it is single only, not in pair. So, root 3 we write first, a into a square by 4, square unit. Here no measuring unit is mentioned. So, we go with square unit. So, the first part of question is done. What was that? Side of equilateral board, signal board is AAA, find the area using Hero's formula, we have done. Now, next is what? If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, given in the question, the perimeter of the board is triangular, perimeter is 180 centimeter. That means perimeter sum of the 3 sides are here, A and A. All 3 sides are equal because it is an equilateral triangle. So, 3A is equal to 180. You can cut directly also or go for A equal to 180 by 3. 3 1s are 3 6 are 0. So, side of equilateral triangle is 60. Now, from here we have 2 options, 2 choices. Whether you use again Hero's formula and calculate the area of triangle, that also will work. Otherwise, using Hero's formula, you have calculated this area of triangle is root 3 into a square by 4. So, straight we can go using this formula, area of signal board. Is it signal board? What will be the area of the signal board? Yes, area of signal board is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square by root 3 by 4 here only already taken, a square, that is 60 into 60. We can cut 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 5s. So 15 into 60. How we multiply? 15 6 are 90. One more 0 and root 3. So 900 root 3 centimeter square is the area of the signal board. I hope you have understood and learned it. Now we will go in question number 2. Now we are going to read first the dimension. The triangular side of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. So, to calculate the area we need first semi perimeter. Therefore, S is equal to first side plus second side plus third side by 2. 0, 2 to 4, 2 to 4 to 6, nothing remains, 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. We can cut 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. 132 meter is the semi perimeter. Now we can easily, Hero's formula we can use here and then calculate the area of the wall. Therefore, area of wall used for advertisement, or just in short we can write area of wall. How much used for advertisement we are going to calculate. So, write that formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, third side, first side, second side, third side. S is semi perimeter. So, semi perimeter 132, again 132 minus first side 122, 132 minus second side 22, and 132 minus third side 120. Calculate this now. Root, wait, whenever you put this root, keep little space between this, otherwise it will look like by you have put here. 132 minus 122, 10. 132 minus 22, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 2 1 and 1, 110 into 2, 3 minus 2 1, 12. Now 132 into 10 into 110, that means we need to go for factorization and then calculate. So 132, let us see this, 132 by 2, 2 6 are 2 6 are. Again 2 3s are 2 3s are, again 2 11s are. 11 we will keep, because here 110 is there, 110 into 10 into 11 we will do. So 132, 2 6 are 2 6 are, 2 3s are 2 3s are, by 3 will be divided, 3 11s are. So 2 into 3 into 11, 10. Let it be, because it will again will have 10 here. 110, 11 into 10. 12 we can do even orally. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Factorization completed. It is a square root. So, out of 2 number, 1 number will be out of the root. So, 2 2 out. Again 3 and another 3 is here. So, 1 3 is out. 11 is out. We have now 10, 110 is out, 2 2. So, from here also 2 is out. Root is gone, 10 2s are 20, just multiply 10, leave now, 11 2s are 22, 22 into 6, 132 and then 1 0. So, the area of the wall used for advertisement is 1320. That means the company has asked the owner to give this much space for putting advertisement board. Then owner said what? There will be rent. Then company asked what is the charge? The owner said 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. So, here this we need to understand well. Hearing the charge 5,000 rupees per year per meter square per year, the company asked the owner, give me on rent only for 3 months. So, how much money the company will pay to the owner? Question is this. So, anyway, per year means for 12 months. For 12 months, 1 meter square charge is 5,000 rupees. What is that? The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. So, the earning is rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. That means, if somebody takes 1 meter square, for 12 month we will have to pay 5,000 to the owner. So, we will just convert it in simple word. How we will convert in simple word? For 12 months, the rent for 12 months for 1 meter square, the rent is equal to rupees 5,000. The same sentence I have written here, try to understand. For 12 month, for 1 meter square, the rent is 5,000. So, now if you are taking rent only for 1 month, how much you will pay? So, for 1 month, how much we are taking? 1 meter square only month we are reducing, 1 month. So, the rent will be how much? The rent will be 5,000 divided by 12 for 1 month. But company asked what? Company asked the owner, we need 1,320 meter square. So, for 1 month you will pay 5,000 by 1200 or company. So, for 1,320, wait 1 minute, for 3 months, if you are taking only 1 meter square, the rent you will pay how much? The rent will be 5,000 by 12 into 3. So, 3 ones are 3. This is here 12 only, 3 fours are 4 ones are 1 came, 4 twos are 8, 2 came, 4 fives are 20, 0. So, you will pay 1,250 if for 3 month 1 meter square you are taking, you or company, but company is taking for 3 months 1,320 meter square. Therefore, for 3 months, for how much company is occupying? 1,320 meter square, the rent will be 1,250 into 1,320. So, now we have to calculate this. So, for calculation you look here, simple calculation only, 125 into 1,320. So, 1,250 into 1,320. So, we will multiply 125 and 132, 0, 20 we will put later. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 3 1s are 3, 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 1, 0, 10, 3 7 10 5 15, 3 2 5 1 6, 1. So, 1 6 5 0 0 and again 2 zeros they have already. Now, you see this amount will be how much? The amount will be 16,50,000. So, if company is taking 1,320 rupees 20 meter square on rent, they will have to pay for 3 months 16,50,000 rupees. Hope you have learnt these solutions, question 1 and 2. So, cannot give you more solution in the same video because it will be very long. So, 1 or 2 solution I will be giving you continuously in every video, but I would like to request you, please share, subscribe and also press notification button also, so that whenever I upload video, new video, it will be notification will be going to you. Then another thing, we have started Hero's formula, but you need any topic of mathematics, please give comment which topic is your need. I will try to make video on that topic and send to you, forward to you. See you in next video.